Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to design a floral line journal page template in Canva. If you ever wanted to create your own custom journal page, this tutorial will teach you how to do just that step by step. All right, let's get started. Let's head over to Canva and click create a design. In the search bar, we're going to type 8.5 by 11 inches, which is US letter size, which is the size I usually use when creating my templates that I plan on uploading to my Etsy shop. It's just better overall. Now that we got our blank page, let's add some lines. Over to the left, we'll see the editor's panel. Let's click on the word elements. We're going to type in the word lines in the search bar. And here we'll see a lot of different lines. We're just going to use one of the lines that are a part of the Canva basic plan. So let's click on the first one. Next, we're going to duplicate that line about 4 to 5 times. All right. Now let's click away from the elements and use our mouse to select all of the lines. Once that's done, we're going to see 3 dots on the right hand side. Click the 3 dots. Now we're going to scroll down to where it says space evenly. And on the left, we'll see tidy up. Let's select tidy up. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and expand the lines. But we're not going to expand them too far because we don't want them to go over the margin. Next, we're going to group the lines together. Then let's duplicate it about 2 to 3 times and arrange them to fit the page evenly. All right, now let's select all of our lines so that we can group them together. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and expand the lines so that they fill out the page from top to bottom. Okay, once the lines are set, let's add some text to our template. Click the text box on the left hand side and let's type out the word journal. All right, position it the top left hand corner and resize it so it fits nicely. Play around with the different fonts until you find one that you like. All right, take a moment to eyeball it and make sure it looks good on the page. Pretty simple so far, right? Right. Next, grab another text box and type out the word date and position it in the right hand corner. And for this one, I like to use a cursive font. So let's go ahead and find us a good cursive font that we like. Resize it as needed until it fits perfectly. All right, looking good so far. Now let's go back to our Elements tab and grab a line. We're going to resize our line and position it on the right hand side. This will act as a little guide for the date section. We're going to change the stroke weight of our lines. I usually adjust mine to like a 4 or 5, but adjust based on your personal preference. Okay, after changing the weight of the lines, just make sure that the lines fit nicely on the page and readjust the journal and date text if needed. Look at that, it's coming together nicely. Now for the fun part, let's add a floral element to our design. Let's go back to our Elements tab on the left panel and let's type out the word floral in our search bar. We can glance through the photos to see if one pops out. If not, we can go over to graphics for a more illustrated design. Okay, now once you find a floral element that you like, select it and place it on your page. Okay, here's the key. We want the floral elements behind the lines, so we're going to adjust the transparency. And for this design, I'm setting it to about a 15%, but you can adjust it based on your own taste. Just play around with it as you see me doing here to see what looks right to you. And that's it. Our floral line journal page template is complete. Thank you so much for following along. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my page. Let me know in the comments what type of design you'd like for me to create next. Or if you have any pointers for me, I'd love to hear from you. I'm sharing my journey as I'm just starting out. So follow me and grow with me. I hope you have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.